and welcome back to our channel. I'm Janeta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. In our previous video, I discussed the pros and cons of taking a cruise to Japan. So if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. Our cruise was scheduled to arrive at Okinawa Island by 2 p.m., but we didn't disembark until around 4 p.m. This left us with only about 3 hours to explore, just enough time to visit Shuri Castle and squeeze in some shopping. Although the limited time was a bit frustrating, especially considering all the places I would hope to see, we made the most of our brief visit. Getting around Okinawa was relatively easy, though not without its challenges. We took a taxi from the cruise terminal to Shuri Castle, which cost 2,300 yen for a 20-25 minute ride. Our first taxi driver spoke English, making the journey smooth. Our main destination was Shuri Castle, a site rich in historical significance. Unfortunately, we didn't realize that the castle had been burned down and is currently being rebuilt. Given this, I wouldn't recommend paying to enter the paid zone until the reconstruction is complete. Despite this, it was still fascinating to see the site and imagine its former grandeur. Shuri Castle, once the political, cultural, and religious heart of the Ryukyu Kingdom, stands as a powerful symbol of Okinawa's rich heritage. Perched on a small hill and encircled by curving walls, the castle was not just a royal residence, but also the kingdom's center of governance, where diplomacy and rituals intertwined. Its distinctive architecture, blending Chinese and Japanese influences, reflects the deep historical ties between the cultures. The castle's brilliant vermilion color and west-facing structures are unique markers of its grandeur. Despite its destruction during the Battle of Okinawa in 1945, Shuri Castle was restored in 1992 to commemorate the 20th anniversary of Okinawa's reversion to Japan. The restored castle, modeled after its 18th century form, now serves as a national park and a vivid reminder of the Ryukyu Kingdom's legacy. In 2000, Shuri Castle was recognized as Japan's 11th UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its historical and cultural significance. The castle grounds, with their sacred sites and open squares, echo the spiritual and artistic vibrancy that once flourished here. Even after the Ryukyu Kingdom was annexed and the castle repurposed for military and educational use, its essence as the soul of Okinawa remained intact. On the morning of October 31, 2019, the main courtyard structures of the castle were again destroyed in a fire. Reconstruction is ongoing and is expected to be fully completed by autumn of 2026. I didn't do much research beforehand and had no idea that the castle was destroyed, but it was interesting to see the restoration in progress. Okinawa offers some convenient facilities that make it easy to explore. Free public toilets are available throughout the island, similar to what you would find in Taiwan. For those with more time, the UE Rail is an excellent option for getting around popular spots in town. A one-day pass costs 800 yen, and children up to 12 years old can travel for free. Unfortunately, we couldn't take advantage of this due to our tight schedule. With our limited time, we couldn't visit other planned attractions, so we focused the rest of our time on shopping. The weather is really hot here, and you will definitely start to miss Taiwanese drink shops. It's great to carry water, sunscreen, and a hat. We also check out the shops selling souvenirs. Before leaving, we went to check out the restoration progress. It's not covered up, you can see everything through the glass. Overall, Okinawa is a destination steeped in history and culture. And even though our visit to its main island was brief, it was certainly memorable. However, it's such a regret that we couldn't see more of it. After visiting the castle, we were fortunate to quickly find another taxi. Although communication with this driver was a bit difficult, due to the language barrier, using Google Maps to show directions worked perfectly. I also noticed that many taxis in Okinawa are older models, adding a bit of a charm to the experience. We did our shopping at Max Value, a popular supermarket in Okinawa, but I will share more about that in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you won't miss out on our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!
It has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.